Hello, folks. Good afternoon. Again, here in my kitchen. I wanted to know from you, what are you doing today for dinner? Are you cooking? Are you eating cold cuts? What are you doing? Um, we all know that we need to support our immune system. By now, we all know that. Oh, yeah. Oh, my God. It's getting gray here. I love that. Christine, book me in. Anyways, on the other side, we know that food should be our medicine and not medicine our food. So this is why I actually wanted to ask you guys, what are you doing to eat for eating? What are you putting into your food, into your body? Today, I have lots and lots and lots of colors, and it starts with mushrooms, peppers, rainbow carrots, garlic, the best antibiotic that is. Spinach for folate, or in chemical words, it would be, if it would be in a supplement, and if it's not natural, it would call folic acid. In the normal world, it says folate. Okay, very different. Look on the label of your supplements what it is, if it's folate or folic acid. Very important. And then we have kale. Again, we have my celery juice, like always. We do have my chocolate shake. This time it was Dutch chocolate. And yeah, of course, my supplements full. And what are you doing? Tell me. I would love to know. If you don't want to comment below, of course you can PM me. No problem. I wish you a wonderful sunny day. Go outside. Sun is there. 20 minutes. Get the sun on your skin. You know, this is the natural vitamin D that will be built, right? And we all need it. Have a wonderful day. Bye.